Begin by using a screwdriver to lift a corner of the acrylic's protective film, then remove the film by hand. Remove the remaining protective film in the same manner. Secure the M3 by 24 mm standoffs in the position using M3 by 6 mm screws. Flip the acrylic plate over, insert a motor bracket. Then position the TT motor with the head facing backwards. After installing the other bracket, use M3 by 30 mm screws and M3 nuts to attach the TT motor. Tighten with a screwdriver. Then thread the motor wires through the hole. Secure the additional TT motor using the same method. At the rear, fasten for sets of M3 by 6 mm screws and M3 by 10 mm standoffs. Flip the acrylic back over and screw in for sets of M2.5 by 11 mm standoffs and M2.5 by 6 mm screws. Now secure the universal wheel with M3 by 6 mm screws. Now attach the two wheels, ensuring the axles are correctly oriented for proper insertion. Secure the L9110 module in place with M2.5 by 6 mm screws. On the front left side of the car, secure an obstacle avoidance module with M3 by 10 mm screws and M3 nuts. Also secure one on the right side. Secure to M3 by 24 mm standoffs with M3 by 6 mm screws to the bottom of the car. Now attach the line tracking module using M3 by 6 mm screws. Connect the 9 volts connector to the 9 volts battery. Stick one piece of Velcro to the bottom and another to the battery. Thread the battery wires through the hole before securing the battery. Now mount the R3 board using M3 by 6 mm screws. Peel off the protective film from the back of the mini breadboard, then affix it to the front end. Lastly, plug the ultrasonic module into the mini breadboard to complete the basic assembly of the car body.